Prochaine présentatrice, Marta Gabriele.
Yes. Good morning.
Hi. Okay, everything is fine. You can start.
Okay. My name is Marta, and I'm waiting also for my visa, and I will start my PhD this summer. And today I'm going to talk about a very important topic that concerns degraded ecosystem, in particular the degradation of the Osisko Lake to the high pressure for mineral resources has led to a loss of environmental quality and then the deterioration of aquatic communities. For example, recent research recorded a high level of iron, about 20 milligrams per kilogram in the sediment. And so this represents a risk of water contamination if suspended. And so innovative solutions are needed to restore this ecosystem in order to improve the quality of the freshwater habitats and communities. And the main goals of our project are assessing the current state of environmental degradation of Osisko Lake, and in terms of heavy metal concentration, for example, mercury, cadmium, and bioaccumulation, and also biomagnification in the food webs. And we want also to test the effect of ecological restoration interventions on biological and ecological function of the lake, such as species abundance and diversity. So to achieve these goals, habitat characterization, ecotoxicological stage, and biotic and abiotic sampling will take place in the first year of the project. And 10 sites will be selected on Osisko Lake, as well as 3 control sites on Dufault Lake. And sediment extraction should reduce the level of contamination, restoring good growth and reproduction of the lake's fauna. And finally, the project will have several benefits on public health, ecology, economy, but also on culture and society, in addition to develop restoration methods adapted to Canadian freshwater, so that they can use on a large scale in the boreal biome. So the question is, will ecological restoration of the Lake Osisko beneficiate the health of biological communities? And I will try to get answers to this question during my PhD. I want to thank the team and all partners. So thank you.